Okay, so lesson 3 is all about adding different types of posts to our Padlet bulletin board. All right, so there's a couple different ways you can do this. One way is to come down to the right bottom corner and hover over the pink circle. So it says we can double click anywhere, drag files in, paste, or just click on this circle. So that's what we're going to do, is just click on the circle. All right, so a box will pop up like this where you can add, you can upload something, you can put a link in here, you can go to Google and find something, you can snap a picture off of your computer, and these little dots are more. So, some of the same things, but then you go down to video, voice, you can draw on the canvas, you can add a map, and you can link it to one of your other Padlets. Alright, so we're going to do a link. Alright, so teachers, I know I do love Teachers Pay Teachers. You could have a class or a group account where you could share downloads. If you are trying to upload and sell things, you could do it, within your group of teachers. So if we wanted to go there, we're going to type in Teachers Pay Teachers. Now your own account may give you a particular link to it, but we're going to use just the regular old Teachers Pay Teachers. So there's our URL, and you can of course copy one and paste it here as well. And I'm going to click Save. Okay, so it comes out with a little picture so you see what it is. Teachers Pay Teachers. Now on this write something, that would be a great place to maybe put an account login information. Okay. Alright, so we're done with this. If you wanted to completely trash it, there's your trash can. Or just take this attachment off. You can do that and change it and add something different. Alright, so click on the outside of it. Alright, so now we're going to post something different. We'll click on my pink circle. This time, let's do something from Google. Alright, so images, videos, GIFs, and web. Let's do GIFs. So teacher meme. Let's see what comes up. Okay. So you got all those little cute memes. Let's just pick one. Let's pick this fun lady right here. Okay, so, and it shows it, really moving, like it's playing, which is really cool. So if you found some really cool teacher gifts that you thought were funny, like those Friday ones or spring break ones, you could add them here just to give everybody a little laugh. Alright, so we'll just say, haha, funny. Okay, so there's something that we got from Google. Okay, rather than clicking on the pink circle again, let's just double click up here. Okay, so here's where we're going to snap a photo. Let's go back to the dots. And let's add a map this time. Alright, so let's add Savannah, Georgia. Okay, there's a map. Let's show a pin. Okay, so let's say we're taking a field trip there. I know my daughter is, so taking a field trip there. We'll click Save. Alright, so we got our map. Now on this map, you can go back and doodle and add things to it, like maybe your path to get there, what interstate you're going to be traveling on. Add some more pins that would show some maybe sites you're going to see. Field trip. Okay, here's your map. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay, so in this one, let's snap a picture. So if your computer has a camera on it, you can snap a picture of yourself or someone else or a document or anything like that. Okay, so we're going to click on this camera to snap the picture. Right, so whenever you've got something in position, click on the camera. And there we go. And I'm going to save it right there. Okay, so our picture's up here. And like I said, you could post like an answer key or something like that. If you don't have like a copy of it on your computer to upload, great way to do that, to share with other teachers if you're all given the same test. Okay, picture of us. All right, click on here. All right, so let's do another one. We're going to upload a document. So we're going to click on this arrow, it says upload. So you'll pick a file from somewhere in your computer. I'm going to use one of these Word documents that I already have in here. So if you don't want to, if you hadn't uploaded anything, you can click on pick file. Of course, it comes to all of your stuff on your computer. Cancel that. I'm going to pick this one that I've used before. Okay, so this is poverty article. All right, so that's how you upload a document. Okay, so one more post, and then we're going to be done with this lesson. Let's do a video. So you can always upload a file with a video, enter a link, that's a video, like from YouTube. I'm going to go, and you can capture video from your camera. Let's go to Google again. Okay, so we're on videos. Let's just do Padlet tutorial. And click the arrow. Okay, so here's a bunch that other people have made. And I'm just going to pick this one just for an example. Okay, so let me click here, give it a name, Padlet tutorial. Click on the outside. All right, and there you go. So now you've got your video in here, and we can play it.
Hi there, Jamie Keat here today at Teachers Tech. Hope everyone's having a great day.
What's so cool about that is that it's not going to take us to another website like to YouTube. It just plays it right on here. It's embedded, which is really great. Okay, so that's the end of lesson 3. Go to your own Padlet account and try to add some posts to yours and try different things so you can get used to it. See you in the next lesson.